What are you doing?
Just checking stuff before we start. Except you've started.
This is the part people don't know. I was looking out for you, guy.
Nah, dude. Okay. Yep.
You know why? You know why I did that? To prevent you from getting your first tally mark on our new
I didn't even bring chalk out because
Why?
it's not going to be me. The best part.
Why you gotta show that part?
Funny, talented, inspiring is how I would describe CJ. Oh, hey, Nate. Hey, let's go ahead and jump in. You wanna?
Yes,
You wanna? Okay, so we're gonna make a couple things today.
Are we?
Yeah, we're gonna make a grilled cheese.
Yes, we are.
We're gonna make a smash burger.
Yeah.
We're gonna make a grilled cheese smash burger. That's one thing. It's those two things. I was building it up like Steve Jobs did with the first iPhone.
Are you comparing
the
yourself
iPod?
There's
the
listen
Safari.
Up. Steve Jobs,
iPod, and then there's me.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first
Well, oh, well, oh, well.
Well, oh, well.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. New guy's in the corner puking his guts out.
Let's head over to our Blackstone. We're gonna kick things off
All right.
as we always do with bacon. And of course, if we're cooking bacon, we're cooking the right kind of bacon.
What are we at?
Yeah, we got a good medium low here. We're gonna let the bacon slowly cook, render out some of that fat because we're gonna be cooking our burgers in the fat.
Our burgers?
And our grilled cheese. That's gonna be good. So that's gonna take a few minutes. Let's get to a few of the little
Condiments?
things. Sauce or lettuce and tomato first.
Sauce.
Let's sauce it up.
Sauce.
Special sauce, dude.
It's special. It's simple.
That's what I think makes it special, because it's brilliant and easy.
Yeah.
Few ingredients. You ready for this?
Most really good things are easy. Simplicity wins.
Totally does. Maybe that's why the show's doing okay, because it's so simple.
When someone calls you simple, it's different.
Yeah, it does. Ketchup, simple, easy. Get to our special sauce. So I'm not going to do any measurements here.
Okay.
We're just going to
Equal parts.
do some
That's
equal
how
parts.
easy it is.
That is really the beauty of it. Next, we've got some basic yellow mustard.
Which there is nothing basic about it. I love a good yellow mustard.
Man, it took me a while to grow into loving mustard, and I now enjoy mustard. If only I had a spoon. Oh, I do.
I did not get you a spoon.
I know. I know you didn't.
I know you didn't.
Okay, basic mayo or just the best mayo that you can get.
Oh,
Give it up for Duke's. We're gonna do a scotch more. There we go.
Is that it?
Nope. Uno más.
But wait.
There is definitely more. This, I think, is what sets it into the realm of really yummy.
Oh, yeah.
Gives it a bit of that sweet little flavor. We got some sweet relish.
Mm-hmm.
And there we go, my friend.
There you go.
There you go. You know what?
We use that one more than any other
I know.
line.
It's because it's really good.
It is, and it's so fitting. How's your bacon? What?
Yeah, we're doing good. I'm gonna make our special sauce
Uh-oh, I missed you.
a
Where are you at?
little unique.
With the empty whiskey burger.
It's
You got the, yeah.
Hey,
Oh,
I was being resourceful and not wasting.
you're such a conscientious fellow.
I know. So we're gonna use a bit of this in here.
The last dab.
Just the last bit of it. Just because that's gonna make it a really special sauce.
Yep.
Super yummy. Give it a whisk.
Which way?
Whiskey! Whiskey! Let's check on our bacon.
Okay. You want to add an egg to this? We can go get a chicken egg.
That would be madness and a lot of fun.
Wait, then it would become a grilled cheese, bacon, egg,
and-
smash burger.
I don't think that we have enough space on the screen for that.
We
kind
don't
of
have the
madness.
bowls for that.
Sister Act
You don't have the balls for that.
2. We've never quoted Sister Act 2.
You're welcome.
Oh, happy day.
Oh, happy day.
Oh, happy day.
Oh, happy day.
When Jesus washed.
When Jesus washed.
When Jesus washed.
When Jesus washed.
When Jesus washed. He washed my sins away.
Mary had a little
Her
lamb.
fleece was white as snow. Sauce is done. Simple, easy, quick.
That'll hold for a while too if you're like having a big burger party.
That's what you
will
got.
hold.
Then we're gonna get to some yummy. Let's get rid of that.
There's a pro move right there.
Yeah, let's get rid of that. It's not gonna do any good for us. We're gonna
Did you-
slice up.
Did you do shredded lettuce before we started cooking together?
No, I was this guy.
Yeah, don't do that. People don't do this. Don't
Don't do
this.
that. Not like this.
Not like this.
Not like this.
Haven't we done this already? And
Yes,
I already...
we quoted it, but I couldn't use it because the video was too long. So now we're gonna use it.
Okay.
All right, there we go.
But can we revisit the fact that I was right and you were wrong?
I don't have any idea what you're talking about. That footage has been lost. I'd appreciate you staying out of my business.
And I'll thank you to stay out of my personal affairs.
You're a weird guy, Ace.
You're a weird guy, Ace.
We just back to back.
Oh, man, that was good. Yeah, bacon's still cruising all right. This knife is so rad. I have got to get one. If only I had a friend who made them.
But wait, I do.
I do.
So we're just gonna kind of go traditional on this part, right? Like lettuce, tomato, onion.
Yes, definitely.
I dig it.
And I know, Nate, you like your tomato thinly sliced. This is actually a little harder. Oh,
Sweet knife skills there.
hey,
Okay. Whoa, that. Wow. No squishage. That was beautiful. Who? What? What kind of maniac cuts his tomatoes like this for a burger?
hey, it was easier. Do you see how much time it was taking me?
Yeah, not that much.
It took enough. Okay,
Enough. You know what we haven't done in a while?
I know.
And we're back.
Okay. Kill.
Hey, guy.
Little Dr. Pepper.
Old Dr. Feelgood.
Dr. Feelgood.
He's the one that makes it feel.
Alright.
Today, we have a special guest on the show.
We do.
We do. Very important guest. Hello, Wonder Texas Toast.
It's good to be back
Huge shout out to
in God's
Wonder
country.
Bread. This is God's country.
God's country.
Have you heard that song?
Nope.
It's pretty good.
Okay. Texas toast, here's why.
Yeah.
We are doing a gargantuan burger.
Where are you going? Where?
See this?
You don't need it? Yeah. Yeah.
My wife likes the heel, so she hates it when I waste that, but we're gonna do, this is 2 grilled cheese.
Oh yeah.
Do you see this?
I see it.
That is insanity. This is the actual definition, the technical term. Mama jammas.
That's the term?
That's the technical term.
Look at this mamma jamma.
We got this guy, we got that guy.
Boom.
Now we're just assembling these for preparation of the griddle top.
Okay.
So we're not doing butter on these right
Well, we are
now.
gonna put the butter in the bacon fat.
Yeah, and we're gonna toast
Doubling it up.
in the buttery bacon fat. We've got a trend around here.
Yeah?
We like bacon
yeah.
fat. Yeah.
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 I put some cheese.
Okay.
Hey, you just stay there.
Whoa, whoa, paper towels. You better move it. Move it or lose it, CJ.
I'm not gonna lose anything.
Got a package, people!
We're on an Ace Ventura run today. HDS coming through.
HDS coming through. Got a package, people.
Who's you, boo boo?
Who's you boo boo doo doo?
Who's your boo boo juju? Who's your boo? Let's get some
The bill.
zibua. So we got.
Oh, are you going handheld? Look at this maniac.
Well, I was gonna just do this.
Whoa. Whoa, take it easy, pro move.
I know. Now the pro move will be if I can get over there and get this all taken care of.
Here we go.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. All right. Never done this before. Not gonna lie.
Oh, you beautiful little thing. So essentially, we are creating our buns for the burger. What kind of meat are we using today,
So
CJ?
today we're using some 80-20. We're getting 80-20 is good because we get enough of the fat in there to cook our burgers, and it's not like 70-30 where it's super fat
greasy.
and fatty and greasy.
Yeah, I feel like when you go higher than 20% fat, it starts turning more into sausage at that point. You just get a little too greasy.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go down right here
Gotcha.
because I want to use some of this bacon fat as well.
Oh, beauty. Liquid gold.
Liquid gold. Okay. Hold on. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Flip of the wrist.
Flip of the wrist.
Nice.
Look at that. Yummy.
Beautiful.
Gotta get in there. Gotta get that.
Gotta get that.
Boom, boom.
Ow.
Boom, boom.
Ow.
Boom, boom.
Oh.
Okay, we're gonna season our patties here
Is that a whiskey burger?
with some whiskey.
What
Where
the-
do you get off? Where do you get off? Okay, dude.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this.
Dude, your technique is getting better every time.
Is
Go-
it?
Just go quick.
Okay.
Pull it. No, come on.
Well, I don't want to make it
Slide
too
it
thin.
off. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that was all right.
What do you mean it's all right? The burger patty is in perfect shape.
Oh, okay. But is it big enough to fit on the bread?
Well, it is gonna.
I'm looking. I would smash a little further, guys.
Well, you would do a lot of things that I wouldn't do. Kiss your mother with that mouth?
Kiss your mother with that mouth?
Gonna turn the heat down on this side.
I missed it. Which one? Oh, this
Right
one.
here, right
Okay.
here, right here.
Right here.
Right here.
You can't do it twice in a row.
No, but we did,
Oh,
which is unfortunate.
you will.
So here in just a sec, we're gonna pull off our gargantuan Texas toast grilled cheese and
I
move
think
that
now's
off to the
time.
side.
I'm feeling like now's the time.
Well, I'll tell you now. It is the time. Yeah, you're sensing it.
Are we gonna smash it at all, or you want to keep it fluffy? It's top
Well, I
like.
kind of just want to see how it's gonna look all
Oh,
giant
wow,
and
that's
fluffy.
great.
Yeah, I don't want to cook that too much more. Let's flip them.
I'm ready. Oh,
Perfect.
hello, little crust.
Perfect.
Oh, beauty.
I didn't get to season this side, so
All right.
I'm gonna go ahead and
All
season
right.
this, and then we are gonna throw some cheese down, bro.
More cheese.
More cheese.
Queso.
Queso. Okay, so
Queso. Okay.
so I walk in, and she says, "No, but that's a nice ski mask."
And she says, no, but that's a real nice ski mask.
I missed your first cheese. Sorry.
Well-
Wasn't paying attention. No, no! Okay.
There
Oh,
we
I
go.
got it.
Yeah, nice.
All right.
Okay.
Time to sauce and
Yeah.
bring that sauce over here, crazy guy.
Okay.
Oh, beauty. It needs a good bit of sauce.
Yeah, because this is a lot of bread to
Bread.
work through. Just can't help but do it. Oh yeah. I
Heck
can't.
yes.
This is gonna be a madhouse
Uh-huh.
burger. This is a burger for two.
Now,
Yep.
lettuce, tomato, onion.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Whoa.
Good save. If
Thank
only
you.
those tomatoes were round. Nope.
Oh man.
There it is. Oh, beauty. Okay,
Okay, hold on.
I'm holding.
Keep holding. Almost there.
Hold.
Almost there. Almost there.
Get on there. Hang on there, little guy.
Hang on there, fella.
Couple of halos for this angel.
Yeah. That was good. That was good.
You're welcome.
Oh, that was fun.
More bacon?
Yeah.
This is madness.
This is why we made 4 pieces, but this one goes for me.
It's for daddy.
Okay.
Come on home.
Okay.
Oh, here's the flip. How you gonna do this?
I don't know.
Okay. Oh, look at you, pro move guy.
I don't know about all that, but
I was just trying to be nice. Whoa. Now here's the smash. Maybe a
a
little.
little push.
This is the Tower of Terror.
Hello.
Right here.
Tap, 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 taparoo. A little tappy. Tap, tap, taparoo.
Hello, beautiful.
Oh, dude, all of this.
Oh,
just-
hello. Yeah,
All right. Let's
we're in
take her.
business.
Let's take her off. This one needs backup. That, my friend, is how you make a double patty bacon smash burger with special sauce and grilled cheese buns.
Say that real fast. Bacon grilled cheese.
That's how you make a
smash
double
burger.
patty, double patty bacon grilled cheese
Nope.
smash. No,
Let's cut this mother.
hold on.
Oh, what's,
I'm gonna dust for good
dude,
measure.
you and the dusting.
I honestly,
You learned that from Tappy.
I did learn it from Taffy.
It's a good move.
To you, sir.
All right then.
Well, there we go.
We haven't even taken a bite yet. Are you celebrating? What if it sucks?
The dusting made it all.
As you can see, it sucks.
And it cuts.
As you can see, it sucks as it cuts.
It certainly does suck.
Okay.
Oh, wowzer. You beauty.
Okay, I'm gonna get through this bread.
Just go for
I'm
it.
going.
Do it.
I'm going.
Come on, go.
I'm going.
Yeah, there she
Oh geez. Oh
Don't
no.
saw, don't
We're
saw,
losing
don't
integrity.
saw, just go.
Can't stop once I start. It stings.
Stings.
Can't stop going once I've started. It stings.
The madness. It's like a giant practical joke of
yeah.
life.
There's nothing practical about that.
This is gonna be treacherous for a man with a beard, such as mine. Oh, no, this is impossible.
Not impossible. You can't live your life with no in your heart.
Just as long as I never have no in my heart.
I don't know why that got me. In reference,
Is Sparta.
it's like almost the height of a mayonnaise jar.
Oh, dang. This thing. I'm ready for this part.
I should eat like that.
There we go. Like a corn cob. Come on, we know you got it in you. Huh? Everything a grown boy needs? Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna switch.
What?
You can try it.
Okay.
Holy grilled cheebus. Save me, grilled cheebus. Wow.
This
All right.
is Sparta.
It's actually not good, right? Oh. Dude, the juice. I saw the juice. Here I go.
And we're back.
All right, guys, that was intensity in 10 cities and super delicious. For this recipe and many more like it, go to blackstoneproducts.com. Be sure to visit teespring.com/Blackstone Products for some fun, sweet
Oh yeah,
gear.
we've got these new hats at blackstoneproducts.com and our flat top Frank shirts. Turn around, show them the back. Thanks, Vanna.
Go watch the shows. They're awesome. Betty's Family Style. Family Style. Todd, go check it out. I just love Tobin Zone. I've renamed his show.
Yeah, it's not called Let's Give It a Try.
No, it's called the Tobin Zone. Nate's show, Cook, Eat, Repeat. Mine, this is my first cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
There we go. Till next time, you guys.
Cheers, buddy.
Cheers, amigos.
Security!